antennas. So first type we have already talked about, which is nothing but the wire antenna. The second type is nothing but the aperture antenna. The third type is nothing but the microstrip antenna. Fourth type is nothing but the array antenna. And fifth type is nothing but the reflector antenna. We'll discuss each and every antenna one by one. So what do you mean by wire antenna? We have already talked about the single wire antenna. We have talked about the dipole antenna. So wire antennas are nothing but when I'm talking about the wire antenna, some characteristics of this particular wire antenna. The first thing is nothing but these are the simplest antennas. If I'm going to talk about the wire antenna, I can categorize it in the single wire antenna or the dipole antennas. Okay? The next one is nothing but the dipole, used at high frequency and ultra high frequencies. Okay? So the next one is nothing but the easy to feed. The input you can give very easily. So easy to feed because of impedance matching, easy to fabricate. They will have a lightweight because they are wire antennas. And the only disadvantage over here is nothing but the low gains. Okay? So how this particular wire antenna looks like, I'll just, I have already given you how the dipole looks. So this is nothing but the type of wire antenna. So I can say this is the dipole antenna. The second is nothing but the loop antenna. So these are circular loop antennas. If I'm going to draw, this will be the circular loop antenna. You may have a circular or you may have a rectangular. अगर आप इसको rectangle में cover करेंगे या फिर इस size का करेंगे तो this will be the rectangular antenna. And C is nothing but the, you can say these are nothing but the helix antenna. So this kind of structures are also called as the wire antennas. अगर आप circular loop है तो rectangular loop will be like this. You will have a loop but it will be of a rectangular shape. So this is the wire antenna. So simplest, you can easily feed this antenna, easily fabricate, but they are having a lightweight, but you will find the gains are low. So where you require a very high gain, you can go for other type of the antenna. So next antenna is nothing but the aperture antenna. So you might have seen this kind of the antenna. So aperture antenna, how this antenna looks like. They are having a horn shape, conical shape, something like that. So the first characteristics of this antenna, horn. Second, open waveguides. If you open the waveguide, it will work as an antenna. They are having a slots. Then they are used at a microwaves. Okay? They're highly used in the microwave application. And they are having a moderate gain, not so high, not so low. So you can use this antenna, whereas the requirement is the high, moderate gain antenna. So these are nothing but the structure of this antenna. So this is the horn shape antenna I'm drawing here. So अगर आप इस तरह का antenna देखेंगे, so this kind of antenna will be called as the horn antenna. ठीक है, ये आपका waveguide है. To this waveguide, they have opened with the horn shape. So pyramidal horn. The second antenna, you just do this particular of conical shape, will be called as a conical horn. अगर आप उसको conical horn में design करेंगे, it will be called as the conical horn, and again connected with the simple waveguide. I can say this is structure will be called as the waveguide. So I can say this is the conical horn antenna. So these are nothing but the aperture antennas, where you are having actual physical antennas, or the physical size contributes in the transmission of that particular wave. So conical horn and a pyramidal horn, they will provide you the moderate gain. The third type of antennas are nothing but the microstrip antenna. So whatever antennas you are having in your mobiles, they are nothing but the microstrip antenna. So how these antennas look like, that thing I'll show you. You are having a substrate, and on that substrate you are having this particular patch. ये आपका कुछ तो substrate है, I'm trying to draw it, ठीक है, और इस substrate पे आपने इसको माउंट किया है, ठीक है. So okay, this is the substrate and this is your actual antenna which you have put it on the substrate. So this will be the patch. This may be of length L, maybe of width W, ठीक है, and it will radiate, and you can say again you will have the length of this particular, यहाँ पे width है और यह उसका length है, ठीक है. So this will be the ground plane. This is the substrate ER, ठीक है. This is the height of this substrate. You can say again the patch with the microstrip antenna. They are very smaller in size, whereas you are printing that particular antenna on the substrate. So you can see here, this is the construction of your antenna, whereas you can see the actual conductor is printed on the substrate. So this is the conductor which is printed on the substrate, ठीक है. You are having this ground plane. So this antenna is a relatively new antenna, printed conductor on the substrate, compatible with the planar surfaces, ठीक है. उसके बाद आपका जो भी microwave circuits है, at microwave frequencies you are going to use this particular antenna, but relatively, or you are having the low gains in this particular microstrip antenna. The next type of antenna is nothing but the your array antenna. So whenever I'm talking about the single antenna, what is the need of this particular array antenna? We are going to discuss this antenna separately in our unit number 2, ठीक है. So whenever there is a necessity of very high gain, ठीक है, आपको जहां पे भी बहुत ज्यादा गेन चाहिए, जैसे मैंने अभी देखा एक डाइपोल अगर आप यूज कर रहे हैं तो यू आर गोइंग टू गेट अ रिलेटिवली लो गेन और यू आर गोइंग टू गेट अ वेरी लो गेन. सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, इफ आई कनेक्ट सो मेनी डाइपोल्स टुगेदर लाइक दिस, ठीक है, और उसको सिंगल फीड पॉइंट दिया जाएगा, तो जो भी रेडिएशन है, ये इसका रेडिएशन, ये दूसरे का रेडिएशन, या तीसरे का, सो व्हाट विल हैपन, द रेडिएशन विल गेट एडेड एंड वॉट एवर गेन आई विल गेट एट द रिसीविंग साइड विल बी maximum. And this is nothing but the concept which is used in the array antenna. So you are having a different types of the array antenna. The very famous example or very popular example of this array antenna is nothing but the Yagi-Uda antenna. Whereas you are having one feed point. आपने यहाँ पे क्या किया था, instead of having a single antenna, use a n number of antennas. जैसे कि आप ये डाइपोल यूज कर रहे हो जिसको आपने एक्चुअली में फीड दिया है, कुछ भी फीड पॉइंट, दिस इज द फीड पॉइंट विच यू हैव गिवन. नाउ यू हैव यूज अ लार्जर साइज रिफ्लेक्टर्स, ठीक है. ये रिफ्लेक्टर्स क्या करते हैं, अगर यहाँ पे रेडिएशंस टू द फॉरवर्ड साइड, रेडिएशंस टू द बैकवर्ड साइड, द रिफ्लेक्टर्स विल रिफ्लेक्ट दैट पर्टिकुलर रेडिएशंस टुवर्ड्स द फॉरवर्ड साइड. So this is the reflector and the director. So relatively smaller size directors are used. So directors, what the function of the director, जो भी radiations है उनको ये direction में उसको कलेक्टिवली डायरेक्ट करना. तो जो भी उसका रेडिएशन पैटर्न, इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द रेडिएशन, सो अगर उसका रेडिएशन विल बी मैक्सिमम इन दिस डायरेक्शन एंड मिनिमम इन दिस डायरेक्शन, ठीक है. सो दिस इज समथिंग विच वी कॉल्ड एज द रेडिएशन पैटर्न. सो दिस आर द रिफ्लेक्टर्स, आई कैन से दिस आर नथिंग बट द रिफ्लेक्टर्स, this is nothing but the directors, and actual input you are giving to the feed point. ये आपका फीड है जहाँ पे आपका एक्चुअल जो भी सिग्नल है वो यहाँ पे जा रहा है. सो द वेरी पॉपुलर एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस array antenna is nothing but the Yagi-Uda antenna. Then second antenna is nothing but the, जो भी अभी हम लोगों ने we have seen a microstrip antenna. You can go for such kind of the construction here, ठीक है. आप यहाँ पे जो भी है substrate यूज करिए, this is nothing but the substrate, and on this particular, instead of putting only a single patch, you put multiple patches, you put a multiple antennas over there on this, print multiple conductors for the transmission. So this is one patch, this is another patch, this is third patch, and so on. Agar if you are printing such patches on this particular substrate, each and every patch will transmit, ठीक है. हर एक patch यहाँ पे transmission में participate करेगा, ठीक है. So this patches will transmit and whatever transmissions will be there that get added, ठीक है. So this is something which we call as the array antenna. So you can say these are used to produce the desired radiation characteristics. Now here to have a control, I can say the array antenna, this is the example of an array ठीक है, देयर मस्ट बी द 5 कंट्रोल्स, आपका जो भी एरे एंटेना है उसके 5 कंट्रोल्स, आई विल टॉक अबाउट द 5 कंट्रोल्स which decides this radiation. So this 5 controls decides the radiation. The first control is nothing but the geometrical configuration. जो भी आपका ज्योमेट्रिकल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है, या तो आपने उसको रेक्टेंगुलर किया है या तो आपने सर्कुलर किया है. आई हैव शोन यू द एंटेना विच इज नथिंग बट द पैच एंटेना एंड द सर्कुलरली अरेंज काइंड ऑफ, सॉरी रेक्टेंगुलर. अगर मेरे पैचेस इस तरह के हैं, I have arranged all these patches like this in linear. ठीक है, so I can say this is nothing but the linear array configuration. This particular configuration will be called as the linear array configuration. ठीक है, the another one is nothing but the बहुत सारे आपने elements you have used many patches together all together. I have done 5 by 5 का matrix या फिर 8 by 8 का matrix or something like that. बहुत सारे आपने यहाँ पे connect किए हैं. ठीक है, suppose I have done it with the 8 by 8, so I can say this is the planar square array of size 8 by 8. ठीक है, I have not shown all that 8 by 8 but you just, ठीक है, so ये उसका configuration है. Next is nothing but the if you are using a linear, you are using the patches but you are connecting them in a circular manner. ठीक है, ये यहाँ पे एक डाल दिया, ये यहाँ पे एक पैच डाल दिया, ये यहाँ पे एक डाल दिया. The arrangement is a circular. ठीक है, so this kind of arrangement is called as the circular, or I'll say the planar circular array. This will be called as the planar circular array. ठीक है, so ये आपका planar circular array हो गया. तो उसका geometrical configuration decides what kind of the transmission will takes place or what kind of the output you're going to get here. The next one is nothing but the relative displacement. हर patch का, हर element का displacement कितना है. So next one is the relative displacement between elements. The third one is nothing but the excitation amplitude. आपने उसको feed क्या दिया है of individual element. Then next third one is nothing but the, sorry, fourth one is nothing but the excitation phase of an individual element, and the fifth is nothing but the relative pattern of individual element. If you are talking about the radiation, एक अगर आपका element यहाँ पे आपने connect किया है उसका radiation pattern ऐसे है, दूसरा element connect किया हो उसका radiation pattern अगर इस तरह का है, both will cancel each other and they will not give the maximum radiation. So this does matter a lot, the relative pattern of an individual element. And the last antenna is nothing but the, I think that was the okay, reflector antenna. So the fifth antenna is nothing but, I'm sorry, I'll go to the next slide. So next one is nothing but the reflector antenna. So if I talk about the reflector antenna will look like this. ठीक है, you are having a this kind of a structure, whereas there here you will have here the feed. अगर आपका यहाँ पे feed है तो आपका input will go like this. If this is the transmitting antenna, feed will be like this and the output will go like this. ठीक है, यहाँ से जाएगा फिर यहाँ से वो reflect करेगा. ठीक है, so this you are using as a you can say the transmitting antenna. So this kind of structure will be called as the reflector antenna. So you are having a various shapes. This is the curved shape. You will have a plain kind of reflector antennas. You'll have a paraboloid. They are widely used in the astronomy. So widely used कहाँ पे? In a astronomy. ठीक है, satellite communication में, and the very popular is nothing but the DTH. They are usually a large in diameters to achieve the high gain. तो ये what are the characteristics जो हमें चाहिए वो, they are having a high gains. They are required to transmit or receive signals over the large distance. You can use these reflector antennas for the large distance. So we have talked about, even if you see, go on your roofs and if you'll see whatever antennas you're using is nothing but the reflector antenna which you're using for direct to home kind of television reception. So this is all about the types of the antenna. ठीक है, so we will stop here. If you are having any doubt you can